So some of my viewers told me that I should play games from this guy. I don't know, I'm just also gonna connection him, or at least try that he says it. He has some cool games, he said. The Deepest Pool, Classic Hobby but no checkpoints, Scream Simulator. Which one is his oldest? Some of you know? Obby? Okay. Damn, I broke the sound barrier. Barrier. Why is this? Okay, if I beat this, we're going on. If I die 3 times, yeah, we're also moving on. So, there's Win. I just knew these, I just guessed. So this one, and this one, That's cool because the ones that kill you, they have a collision. The ones that don't kill don't have one. Which is kind of crazy, but also very cool. Oh, fuck. Oh, I have shift lock. Why didn't I know that in the first place? Why didn't I know that in the first place? Crazy. I didn't even die one time. So I did fall. Are made so he has someone that animates. So two people. So he and his friend, they work together. Crazy. No. Bro. Which one is the second? This one was created. I have to sneeze. Oh god. Okay, let's just play it. I don't give a fuck. Okay. Merry Crisis. So he just screamed. Yo, devs. tongue. No, add a tongue right here. Add a tongue right here. Please, please, please. Tongue sour. That'd be crazy. And also move this duck a bit down. It's flying. Yeah, okay. Enough. Oh, this Santa has. What's this gold? Okay, let's just play another game. But I'm gonna sing. Wait, he accepted. Cool Dev. Yeah. New name now. He has a channel, it's called Ogon Bros YT. Yeah, probably with his friend. But we already played this. What do y'all think is the best game? Oh, this already wins. This is the winner. Yo, wait, let me just check out. Wait, they already have a tongue. tongue sour. Okay. New updates come soon. Why do I have a Mexican hat now? That's crazy, bro. Make sure to like and follow the game. Oh my god! Okay, turn the music off. It's so loud. I just burped. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop doop doop. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop doop doop. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop 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 doop. Skibbity doop doop doop. You always play Roblox, play something else. I can play Geometry Dash. Where's the sound? Oh yeah, wait, I muted. One win, we can now buy this. It doesn't make me faster. Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm just gonna leave. Bye.